The weather might be keeping us on land, but we've still got to eat. It's time to hunt some birds. I joined some hunters on a cliff top. Seabirds returning to roost for the night will fly over our heads and, if we're quick enough, into our nets. Everyone has their own call to lure the birds in. I think mine might need some work. The birds won't be killed just yet. Their distress calls will lure others into range.
Can't see a thing, frankly. It's pitch black. Just a little bit of light out there over the water, but if they come to me from the trees, I can't see them. Like that.
It's so dark I almost slip and fall off the cliff.
This guy's got amazing night vision. And he's pointing out stuff that I frankly haven't seen.
I glimpse a bird flying towards me and raise my net. I've got one. We've got a good handful of birds, so we call it a night.
How we kill it is like this.
Okay, so spin it.
Yes, yes, that. Then another way, one bite, yeah?
Pretty swift.